Good morning. My name is George Jamal. I'm from Bellflower, California. This is part of Los Angeles. And I'm on the cruise ship on this great cruise ship, Jin. And I met Derek. And I listened to him about he wanted to see how good I'll do in training. I asked him to help me, please, and he did. I can honestly say that he is, if not the best trainer I ever had, he is one of the best. Derek really deserves recognition, and anyone will work with Derek will feel so good because he really cares for you. He really cares to show you how to do it and what's the best way to do it, and explain to you in detail how to do things the best way, how to build your body, you build your muscles, you build your energy. And I really thank you, Derek, very much for all your help. Thank you, sir.